Hello and welcome to another MDAR training video. This one is to complement the plumbing wiring centre that we've put together to help our plumbing colleagues get up to speed nice and quickly with Velbus. So the wiring centres can come out in kit form, they can come out pre-assembled, or you can even have them pre-programmed. It's entirely up to you. Let us know what you want. If you want to program them yourself, this is how it's done. So I've got an example project set up here. These aren't real modules, these are just virtual ones within the software purely for the purpose of demonstration. So we've got a 4-channel relay where in the real world we would have connected 4 actuators or 2-port valves, depending on how your S-plan's being operated. And then I've got a single channel relay which is being wired for the heat coil for the source. So it's a changeover relay, so it'll work just as well with an air source heat pump as it will with classic electric or gas water heaters. I've also got 4 thermostats, or 4 glass panels with thermostats in, and I've already been around and I've labelled them so we know which one they are. And just very quickly go through the outputs of the thermostat. We've got a heater channel which switches on when there's a call for heat. We've got a boost channel which switches on when there's it needs extra heat. We've got a pump channel which mirrors the heater, but it's there so you can do clever things with it and separately configure it, which I'll show you in a second. And there's a cooler channel if you're hooking up air conditioning or a cooling system. And then there's 4 completely programmable outputs, which is not for this video, that's for an advanced one. And then that's repeated on the other single buttons. And then I have got an OLED panel here, you can see by the number there, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. But basically the outputs are exactly the same. Let's get it configured initially before we move on. So there are many ways of creating the actions between channels and events, but let me show you the easiest way. We drag the heater channel across to the room and we add a momentary action. Then we drag the pump to the heat coil and we do a momentary follow. And we repeat with this room, so the heater channel to room 2 and a momentary, and a pump to the heat coil, momentary, heater to room 3 and a momentary, and a pump to the heat coil and a momentary. I'm just going to shrink this down because I'm running out of real estate. Heater to the main and a momentary, and a pump to the heat coil and a momentary. And that's it as far as configuration of the actions is concerned. So if we look on the manifold here, we can see we've set these 4 actions up. We've got the heater of room 1 going to room 1's valve, heater of room 2 going to hit room 2's valve, so on and so forth. And then if we click on this one, we can say we've got 4 pump channels all following the same heat coil. So as long as one of those is calling for heat, that heat coil relay will be activated. So that's it. If we want to that, we click on synchronize, send the settings to the modules, and that's it. That'll be up and running straight away. The only thing we don't have at the moment is the ability to scroll through and adjust the thermostats. So each thermostat, oh, I can't see it without being online, never mind. What we want to do is give the OLED panel the ability to show those temperatures, and all we do is we come into the configuration of the OLED, we go to the temperature tab, it'll come straight to the sensor tab, and we activate each one and we say we want to show it. So we show it and we control it, and in this case we can even move it up so it changes the order in which it appears to the customer. And that's it, that's done. Again, synchronize those changes and that's all up and running. So that's how quick and easy it is to configure a heating system in Velbus. There are lots and lots of other things you can do with it, but as I say, that isn't for this video. So thanks for watching our video today. There's going to be a few more coming up. If you've got something special you want to know, then put a comment in the section below or send us an email. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're the first to be alerted when there are new videos up. And if there's anything you want to know, reach out and we'll be happy to answer.